The following segment is sponsored by Gulf Coast Federal Credit Union.
This is Around the Bend, a spotlight on economic strength and growth here in the Coastal Bend.
We're really excited to see what's happening in the Port Aransas area. The growth is at an all-time high. The residents are experiencing this growth that we want to be part of. As the first credit union in Port Aransas, we want to make sure that we're part of the community. We like to get involved and give back to the communities as well, and we believe that it can benefit both parties. Well, Gulf Coast Federal Credit Union is really happy to be the first credit union in the Port Aransas area. The big deal that separates us from others is we work on individual needs. Someone may walk in and just need a $500 line of credit. We're happy to work with that individual. Others may need more. Someone just may need their first checking account, and we're excited to work with that person and explain how it can benefit them in the future. Gulf Coast Credit Union does love to work with all members, and the positive is that your profits stay in-house. That's correct, that all the profits for the company actually stay in-house, and we use those funds to give better service in the future. That's a question we get very often, how to build your credit or how to establish your credit. The most important thing I always say is start early. It's never too early to begin building your credit. Even if you're not going to need your credit at the immediate future, it's best to start early, possibly at the age of 18, at least by building an established credit union relationship by opening a savings or checking account. Building that relationship and begin your process towards building credit. Another possible way is a starter loan. Credit unions are great ways to start your credit with starter loans. Some of the loans can be of $500 with a very low interest rate. Of course, from that point on, you can build up. The most important thing is controlling your expenses. Small credit cards are also a good way as long as you can control the expenses in that aspect. Right now is a great time to look into money market and CDs. Gulf Coast Federal Credit Union has a great money market and CD rate special. The most important thing is to consider is, what are your needs? Our Gulf Coast employees will work with you on that. It could be a money market or a CD. The differences are obvious. A money market is going to be your overnight and accounts that are easily usable. Your CD rates are going to be locked in term CD rates. Now, the CD rates will be much higher than a money market. However, the needs are up to you. Gulf Coast has great rates no matter what you're looking for your savings and deposits.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Gulf Coast Federal Credit Union.